What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas, and it was a great week so far in the group. And also prediction wise, we've been predicting some bad ass trades and all that happens with condition, which is something I'm going to leave it for the weekend's video. Make sure you watch that. You're going to learn tons of knowledge. So starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? We had a big and deep pullback. Now if you are my student, or if you are following me on YouTube regularly, we had a bearish engulfing entry and that nicely hit the targets as well. Now we are at 50 EMA. We are also broken below this channel. Now that could be a fake out below this channel, as I look at 50 EMA for the possible entries. Now, looking at on capital.com data first, what I'll be interested in. I'll be interested in next candle must turns to be a bullish engulfing pattern. Doesn't matter if this channel broke out. Now, most of the traders, they might be looking at this channel and they might start selling here, which I don't normally do. For me, very important to see if the price must fall below this trend, this channel, and 50 EMA with few red candles for me to start to look for the sell trades short term. For now, look for the next candle. If next candle turns out to be a bullish engulfing candle, I'm gonna go long from here till the first stop, exit, and look for the next condition, either for the double top or either for the break above this high for the continuation towards the upside. Now it is a very crucial candle. We must see a next candle how it forms as a bullish engulfer or it closes back above inside this channel. If that happens, we are still in an uptrend and we can still look for the possible hit of this rejection box, which is right here, for us to look at the possible double top trade. But that is why I always say, take your profits once you have a condition. Once your bigger targets, 180R or 280R target has been hit, it's enough to hit your targets. Grab your money, look for the next entry condition. You shouldn't be holding on with your trades. Right here, that was an entry and that is enough to exit. Then we had a bearish engulfer, we had a bullish candle, that is enough to exit. So keep on taking your trades and grab the profits out of the market. Now, long term, we are still bullish. If you talk about long term, we are still above 50 and 20 EMA, and that big and deep pullback could be above 50 and 20 EMA. For the long-term trader, that is just a pullback, but for the short-term traders, that could be lots of noise inside smaller candles. Now looking at weekly time frame, we are still above and we are still above these zones. So let's look for the entries. The one I've just mentioned, bullish engulfer, will be the entry. Yes, if you have a dramatic fall below EMA only, then I'll start to look at this anchor level, which is right here, from where we can expect another bounce out of. Now let's look at NEMEX. Exactly the same. We are still not closed yet here on NEMEX, but we are broken. It is a chance the price can still pull back up, leave the wick here, and then start to push up back towards this double top area, from where we're going to start to look for the bearish engulfer or 382 candle for the double top sell trade. So for now, just wait with patience and wait to see how this candle closes. Back above and next candle is a bullish engulfer, then we're going to go long again, as I've just shown you on capital.com data. So not bearish at this point, and here on Owanda, still inside this channel. Now, I know that's broken below 50 EMA and that is just a one candle. For the long term, I want to see few candles, at least two big red candles, and if we are below this trend support, in that case, we are still gonna push down from here. But very important to see a good momentum, then a possible push down. So we still have a chance the price will dramatically push up back to this double top pattern, from where we can see another push down. So keep an eye. Still not bearish and still not looking for the bearish trades. I'm still positive for natural gas as long as we are inside and as long as we are not broken below 50 EMA with a good momentum. Here on gold, nicely hit the targets. Aggressive and less aggressive targets both. That is what we call a patience and taking your trades with conditions. And as right here, 50% will be your entry. 180R, actually it's more than 180R. If you look here, the price pushed up $35, which is more than 180R. 180R is $13, and I would say its 380R target has been hit if you would have keep a stop loss below and take profit here. But as I personally entered with a less aggressive way with this bullish engulfing pattern, for me the target has been hit. $13 is a good amount of profits in gold. And let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. Gold is still in a process of retracement. I have my eyes on this 50% retracement or a bullish engulfing pattern. For the valid entry, price must form a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. If we have that, I'm gonna go long. 1 ATR will be my initial targets. You can always manage your trades by moving your stop loss to break even. If you have that, I'm gonna go long or aggressive entry as per mentioned in my yesterday's video with the 50% retracement with a limit order. So keep an eye, still look awesome. So that is how we need to be trading with conditions only. We are ignoring these noise, but once the price action is telling us yes, we're gonna push higher, yes, we're gonna enter the trade. Aggressive entry and both target has been hit. Now I'm still expecting a price to keep on heading higher, and it is a bigger picture. I'm looking at 1.618 retracement is an area at where I'm expecting a price to head to, but in long term, not quickly, but we can see some sort of consolidation and then price will likely to push up. I'm still looking at the level below, which is 25.14 goes to 25.28, 0.79, from where if the price, let's say, dramatically fall, I'll be looking for next buy trades. So keep an eye, these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for the possible trades. For me, my next entry will be again if we have a break above this wick and then a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern, I'm gonna go long again. So next pullback entry will only happen once we have broken and closed above with a pullback followed by bullish engulfing condition. For now, I'll just wait till I see a better condition for me to enter. Overall, we're bullish for gold. Next up, we have silver. It's nicely pushing down. As you can see, I've mentioned this zone yesterday, which is 31.27, goes to 32.01, from where we are now looking for the possible bearish trades short term. Now, on 1 hour time frame, we already had this bearish pattern right here, but if you're looking at 4 hour time frame, I would still want to see a push back up, possible formation of double top pattern, and then price will likely to push up. Or if the price give us a good pullback right here, from where I want to look for another entry condition. Now, I've clearly mentioned yesterday, it is an area from where we can expect another bounce out of, which is an anchor level right here, as you can see from where the price has nicely bounced up. Let me show you the clip from my last video. It is also an anchor level which I'm looking at for the possible bounce out of. Stop loss below can be a good idea to have some sort of protection. So bullishing off here or double bottom here, awesome, nicely bounced up from the zone, the anchor level, and these are the areas we need to look at for the possible trades. Again, next double top will be your less aggressive entry, and from this zone we can expect a price to push down. Again, if we have a push up, let's say we have no condition here, price pushes up inside the zone followed by bearish engulfer or double top, I'm gonna go short again, and the zone is right here, as you can see the numbers in blue if you want to mark these zones on your chart. So bearish trades for silver at this point. Next up, we have crude oil. It's nicely pushed up as mentioned and nicely hitting the targets for buy trade. Hit the trend continuation bearish area 72.24 goes to 73.35, an area from where we are now looking for the bearish trade. Nice bearish candle is forming right here. It's not a bearish engulfer, but still a bearish candle, a bearish pressure. If this candle forms as a bearish candle, in that case we're going to expect a price to push down at least 1 ATR from here, or if you are a less aggressive trader, want to wait for the better entry, then wait for the pullback, formation of double top, and then enter right here with the bearish engulfer or 382 bearish candle. So keep an eye. I'm now expecting a price to push down from this area, looking at this bearish candle. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.